So as I mentioned, Haloview gifted us this, so we wanted to open it and see what's all in here. This is the BT10, which includes the rearview mirror and the monitoring of the TPMS inside the rearview mirror. I like this version because this requires one less thing to be on our dashboard instead of a separate monitor. You've got it all built into the rearview mirror. So let's see what's in the contents of the box. Of course, you got all your instructions and your user manual. You got the handy dandy rearview mirror with all of its separate controls up under there. And one thing I do love, it's got the dash cam already built into the rear view. So no dash cam separately from the rear view mirror, and clips to hook onto your existing rear view mirror. Your actual rear view camera. You got this backer plate for the rear view camera. Your antennas, handy dandy cigarette lighter, an adapter, tons of screws and grommets to go into the holes, actual connector for your camera. Wow, they packed this thing out. A USB connector for the camera. I think this is the range extender or the battery power for your camera, so we'll see. The signal booster, that's what these are. Another adapter. Velcro, the locking kit for your TPMS. Cleaning cloths, batteries, and these are CR 1632 batteries for your TPMS, and the much needed TPMS systems. That's a lot in one box. And in the bag for your zip ties, another antenna, and the extender wire to run the power to your camera and your monitor, and additional TPMS systems for your truck.